What is going on, YouTube? Back again with another video. I know I got the grandma hat on, but the UV index is at like an 8 right now, and it's like 90 degrees here in San Antonio, so I don't want to get super burnt. I'm going to be heading out to the river, the Guadalupe River, and testing out a new toy I got, so follow me then. So as you can tell, I got a kayak. I just came out here to this simple park over here in New Braunfels, Texas, along the Guadalupe, or actually I think this is the Comal River, just to kind of test it out. It seems pretty good. Of course, these are extremely shallow waters, or extremely calm waters. But yeah, just gonna paddle around a bit and see what it's like. Probably gonna hook y'all up to the front of this. It comes with an actual mount for GoPros, so I'll just be taking some pretty random shots. I might get some underwater shots and stuff, see how that works out. So Alright guys, yeah, that was just a quick little, I think I spent maybe an hour on the river, so it was a quick little test, just trying to get a feel for the brand new kayak. Again, I think I'm at Landa Park here in New Braunfels. There's a lot of going back and forth. There's a dam on the right side of the river, and then there's a bunch of rapids on the upstream side that's makes it pretty hard to pass, and this was the only boat launch. Now that I kind of know the area a little bit, next time I might actually go up a little bit further and just kind of park my truck and launch on the side of the banks. But yeah guys, hopefully I'll be doing a lot more of this stuff. There's the Guadalupe River around here, there's the Colorado River up there in Austin, we also have the Comal River and the San Marcos River, as well as the San Antonio River. So there's a bunch of different rivers I can test out. Might try to go to a state park. I know that there's some issues with filming at national parks. I'm not sure if that follows with state parks. If you do know, comment down below, let me know. I would hate to end up getting a damn fine just trying to film my trip. So, but yeah guys, that's gonna do it for this video. It's a little different than what I've been posting. I'm trying to do all things outdoors, not just necessarily stuff about prepping or gardening or anything like that. I'm trying to do a broad spectrum of everything, and with this kayak, hopefully it'll open up some new fun adventures for me. So thanks again for sticking to the end of the video. Hopefully you enjoyed the shots and everything. I will catch y'all next time. Thanks.